Okay, so my name is Luke Perling, and I am about to demonstrate the milling process for part 1 of assignment 2. So to begin, we select solid cam part, go over to new, select milling, and here in this menu we want to make sure that external and metric have been selected. Close the window with OK. SolidWorks will now give us some options here, so we want to select our milling machine, the Fanuc model. First we'll determine our stock piece. Let's set all these coordinates to 0 except for the positive Z surface, so we can complete a face milling there. We'll add this box to CAD model, which I haven't selected yet. So there we go, add that box to the CAD model. Select OK. And now we will choose our coordinate system. Select face, ensure that top corner of model box has been selected. And then click on the model, and we can see our coordinate system here is what we want. Y up, Z out. Select OK, OK. These are just automatically generated settings. And we can OK this as well. I'll define our tools. So we're going to click Add Tool, start with an end mill, diameter of 10, which will then change these other settings to 10. And we're going to give 4 flutes. The flutes are the teeth on the cutting tool. We'll add another one. We'll go with face mill, diameter of 40. It's already set how we want it, so we'll then click Save and Exit. For the setup, we'll edit the position of the block on the machine, generate a preview here so you can see X coordinate minus 120, Y minus 65, tab Z50. We should have our part on the milling block without it clashing into the table. OK this. Now I'm going to add milling process, add milling operation, 3D milling, and from here we're going to start by defining the work area. Check this box, define, and we're just going to select the top face of the box there, create a chain in our chain list, select yes, OK that. Now our tool, we're going to select the face milling tool, which was our second tool. Okay. Now our levels, we want our upper level to be 2, and our lower level to be 0. So the 2 mil is the excess on the stock that we're going to face mill away, and the 0 is the finished surface of the part that we want. Next we'll move on to technology. We're going to go with a hatch pattern. We want a 0.25 mil overlap. I believe that's 0.25 of the cutting tool diameter. Step down to, so we can do this in one pass. Go save and exit. Upper level is above course, so that's okay. And we are going to calculate. the toolpath. This is a preview of where the tool will be running over the part, and we also want to simulate, not too fast, and as you can see, the part is covered. So we're going to add another milling operation. Define the geometry. And I'm going to select the edge of our main cutout. We have our chain there. For the tool, we're going to select the end mill, our first one. For our levels, upper level we want as 0, and that's what we've got. For our lower level, we want here -10. For our technology, we're going to take it to contour. Again, 0.25, and an overlap, and a 2.5 mil step down on each pass. Finish. We're going to select spiral, Z entry, OK, save and exit. Again, we will calculate the tool path. You can see the pattern it's created, also some finishing, and we will simulate again. This will take a lot longer, so I'll speed it up. It's maybe too fast. There we go. This final thing must be a finishing process. And we're going to add another step. Define the working area. So we want start that again. Heading now to tool, we'll select end mill. For our levels, we want our upper level to be -10, and our lower level to be -15. For our technology, again, contour 0.25. .5 further step down. Have this in 2 passes. Finish with spiral, Z entry, OK, save and exit. I'm going to calculate the tool path. And we'll simulate. As this larger pocket has a deeper section than from the -10 setting when we took this down before, So that looks fine. Once again, I'm going to add another milling operation, the final one, for the bottom pocket. So we'll define working area. Get our chain there, accept, back to tool. Always forget to OK that. Tool, select our first tool again. Our levels, we will define so the upper level -15 and the lower level -20. Good. Technology, we will go with a contour again. Once again, 0.25 and 2.5 step down. Go. Simulate. Very simple process there. So now we have all of our milling stages completed. You can simulate the whole process. And that's done. Reselecting all, calculate and G-code all. I'm going to generate G-code now. Part 1 04729, my student number. This is not a production ready post, it must be modified. Okay, so here is all my G-code. Very long indeed. And there we have part 1 of the milling process for assignment 2.